Optics are a critical part of any infrared testing system. Many companies are looking to maximize their value by using equipment for many years on different projects. FLIR has developed our optics portfolio with performance, customer value, and reusability as the key decision drivers. Our optics portfolio works across most of our cooled cameras, allowing the user to buy one optic for multiple cameras or tests. This allows the company to purchase a full suite of optics and then share between multiple cameras. We also have the most extensive optics offering with mid-wave infrared, long-wave infrared, microscope, and long-range continuous zoom optics. For example, these lenses behind me could be used on our A-series high-definition 12-micron pixel pitch cameras or on our X-series 640 by 512 25-micron pixel pitch 1,000 frames per second cameras. Through FLIR's vertical integration, we develop and manufacture our optics in-house, driving the best product for the customer. We're proud to leverage the vast size and expertise of FLIR and Teledyne to bring the best value and innovation to our customers.